Welcome travelers, this is Ash from Munoha Tour. In our fast-paced world, traveling to distant places is easier than ever, but finding cheap flight tickets could be very tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to teach you and tell you that how we can find more cheaper flights on internet and what are the algorithms that you have to give attention to when you're booking any flight. Alright, so start with me, join me as we're gonna let you save big on your flights. In the quest of affordable prices, understanding dynamic prices can be your ace in the hole. Whether you're looking for a full-service carrier or a budget-friendly option, dynamic pricing lies in the heart of modern ticketing. But for you, what does it mean as a traveler? The days of fixed ticket prices are gone. Today, when you embark on a journey to find a flight ticket online, you enter a realm of constant fluctuation and change. 100 factors influence the price you see on the internet, from the time and day of your travel to the people joining you on your flight. All of that matters. Demand and supply dynamics plays a pivotal role here. As more passengers demand for seats, the prices change accordingly. Conversely, if seats remain unsold close to departure, airlines adjust prices to gain last-minute bookings. Despite the complexity and misconceptions, some advise for early bookings while some suggest last-minute deals. What's the truth? The truth is both hold merit.
Let me tell you some of the most amusingly failed techniques people might attempt when trying to book cheap flight tickets. Number 1 is the midnight myth. Believing that flight prices drop drastically at midnight, hopeful travelers stay up too late to catch the best deals, only to find out that the prices remain stubbornly high. Number 2, the clear cache conundrum. The myth persists that airlines hike up prices if they detect repeated searches for the same route. So travelers diligently clear their browser cache only to realize that prices remain unchanged. Number 3, the fake location fiasco. Trying to trick booking websites by pretending to be from a different, presumably cheaper location, only to find out that IP addresses and credit card billing addresses gave away their true origin.
For those seeking clarity despite the algorithm I just explained, here are some actionable strategies that you can take. Firstly, consider the day of the week. While typically weekends have high fares, some studies have revealed that Tuesday and Wednesday are prime days for cheap flights. However, keep in mind that exceptions exist, dictated by the ever-shifting algorithm of supply and demand. Now second, use tools like Google Flights to pinpoint the cheapest travel dates. Utilize features like the date grid and price graph to navigate through fluctuations and secure the best deals. Thirdly, now think beyond mainstream airports. Opting for smaller, alternative airports can often yield substantial savings. For instance, the flights from Los Angeles to New York John F. Kennedy Airport is $202, while from Los Angeles to Buffalo Niagara International Airport is $121, while both airports lies in the same state. Furthermore, explore the realm of stopover flights. Adding an extra destination to your plan can surprisingly save you money. Consider the example of the lower fare of flying from Los Angeles to Chicago via Dallas at $110, compared to a direct flight of Los Angeles to Chicago at $270. Finally, when searching for deals, don't limit yourself on a single platform. Instead, look for comparison websites like Munoha Tour, Kayak, Skyscanner, Kiwi, and many others to compare the flight prices in between them. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover the secrets of finding affordable flights. I hope you have gained valuable insights into navigating the world of dynamic pricing. Remember, with a little know-how and some clever strategies, you can always score great deals on airfare. Safe travel, and until next time, this is Munoha Tour signing off. Happy flying!